day. What to do with it anyway? I could don appropriate apparel, take a walk down the street, though dancing in the rain has lost some of its appeal, since two of us were dancing and one of them was you. Or I could do what I often do when feeling a bit off color, that's right, as in blue. Lower the lights, check out some Billie Holiday. I must admit, that's a big deja vu. Here we go, think I'll be a child again, nose against the pain, rain, rain. Please go away till it actually does. I get to go out and play, or if all else fails, I could pretend I was all grown up and have a good cry, heave a big sigh and hang those memories out to dry. Then write another bittersweet love song to some girl I'll probably never meet. Hey ho, here we go, another rainy day. What to do with it anyway?